All of them tell stories like a bad movie. Man came here for the crown, you know man came here for the glory. Woke up in the morning feeling like a savage. I'ma take the girl if I think she a bad thing. She just wants somebody she can hold on. Girl, you look so good without your clothes on.
What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite host, ManLyk Mic, and you're watching Blab On It. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a naturally curly hair like mine. So just stay tuned. Firstly, if you got that hair, of course hair and that, what I want you to do is condition your hair with gentleman conditioner and shampoo. So these will make your hair all soft, luscious, and looking silky. After you condition your hair and it's looking soft, come back to this video, and what I want you to do is comb your hair out, make it all long and sampled and everything. And that's what I'm gonna do now. Basically, for this part of the video, what you're gonna use is a lemon brush, comb your hair out. So for the boys and the girls here, girls, you can use this to tangle your hair. Man, them, you can also use that, or you can just use that. You know, the long metal combs and that, you can use that. So I'm gonna start doing that now. So basically, before you start combing your hair, depending on what direction you want the curls to flow. So if you want it to be like mine, I'm flowing like upwards, yeah, just brush your hair upwards. And if you want it to flow downwards, just comb downwards, basically. If your hair is dry, just add more water to it. Just make it wet. If you want to add water to it, you can use like a spray bottle to evenly add water to your hair and that. Or you can use like a shower type or faucet to add water to your hair evenly. After you comb your hair and it's looking all nice and fluffy, what you want to use is your curling hair products. So today I'm going to be using Cream of Nature coconut milk to argan oil leave-in conditioning cream. Both of these are leave-in conditioning creams. What that means is it's a conditioner which you can just leave in your hair and no hassle, just condition your hair, make it all soft, curly and everything. And make your hair nice and wet so that it will drip wet basically. After your hair is all nice and wet, what you want to do is get your creams and your conditioners and everything. Get like a generous amount. Man, then yeah, if you have small hair, get like a small amount, like this big or even smaller. Girls or guys that have longer hair, use more. Just generous, you don't want to be wasting your creams on that. This one was the Cantu, using the Cream of Nature. This one's my favorite. And now that you've got your generous amounts of, what you want to do is oil your hair some more, then apply it evenly. Like, so to get an even distribution, what you want to do is pat your hair. Then rub it in. What you want to do is get to the roots and that, so that it conditions the roots, and it will curl from the roots and that. Then you just massage your hair, massage the products in your hair in all directions, make sure it goes from the roots to the tips of your hair. And if you need to, just add a bit more water, because water is good for detangling your hair. So now that your hair is all nice, wet and conditioned, what you want to do is shake all the water out of your hair. So what that's going to do is it's going to push all the conditioning products or the curling products to the tips of your hair, and it's also the water's going to detangle your hair, while when you shake your hair about, it's going to contract it and make it more curlier. That's what we're going to do now, shake in all directions. I'm like crazy. Make sure you don't give your head like shaky baby season or break your neck. Please don't break your neck. Yeah. We ain't gonna leave you.
One boys and girls, flick your shoulder, use them well. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Michael Jackson, twist up your leg.
If you're a student like me that goes to uni or college or any type of school or something like that, or you go to work or you're busy and you're in a rush and you want your hair to be dry and fluffy but not dripping wet as you're growing up, what you want to do is either continue shaking your hair or like air dry, or you can use like an air dryer. So that's what we do right now. As you're drying your hair, just shake it about as well. Nice and dry, it's all conditioned, it's all nice and fluffy, it's all curly, it's looking all sexy. And what you can do is just get ready, get dressed, leave, and let the rest of the moisture in your hair air dry. And you're gonna be looking, A1 like 100 come on. That's the end of the video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. And when you subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification button so you can be notified for another video. Also, stay tuned for the next video. I'm showing you guys how to use this demo brush to curl your hair. And also, for those of you that have a demo brush, you can notice that these rows are missing. So I'm going to teach you how to modify it as well for a better detangling process. So guys, thank you for watching and peace.
Different kind of flow, different melody. Young and fresh, coming Machiavelli. And when I'm coming for the bread, I'm up in my guys.
Believe me, I make them leave. Cause I'm tryna get the money with every season. The niggas hating, they acting shade. Cause I'm tryna get the money with every season. You best believe me, I make them leave. Cause I'm tryna get the money with every season. This niggas hating.